factual correction when your lordships have said that we have requested the filled up questionnaires to be sent by the state governments and UTs.
Biometric access feature has been installed, in the restrooms of and the critical areas. Have you seen the affidavit which has been filed by the state of West Bengal?
We
It
have
appears-
notes.
I've just received it. Just
As a shagun, my lord. 1 rupee usually.
No, but why
Not
don't you?
lucky Shagun, my lord.
But ultimately, look, they have disclosed data in the fifth status report dated 15 October 2024, submitted by the DIG, stroke head of branch, Special Crime 1 CBI. It has been stated that on the basis of the investigation conducted thus far, a charge sheet has been submitted on 7 October 2024
Yes.
for alleged offences punishable under sections 64, 66, 103 bracket 1 of the BNS 2023 against accused Sanjay Roy. Stop. The ACJM Sialda, by an order dated 7 October 2024, the ACJM Sialda has taken cognizance of the offences, and committed the case to the court of the Additional Sessions Judge, First Court, Sialda. Full stop. The hearing for consideration on charge has been fixed on 4 November 2024. Next, the status report filed by the CBI indicates that further investigation into the alleged role of others in relation to the alleged rape and murder on 9 August 2024 is the subject matter of the continuing investigation.
Page 6 bottom, your lordships would find easily, my lord, what is in progress. It may not be necessary to record it, my lord, just
Yes.
for your lordships.
The CBI has also received communications pertaining to certain aspects which have been highlighted by parties appearing in the present proceedings through their counsel. Those matters are also being looked into by the CBI. Stop. Independently, full stop. The CBI has further highlighted the developments which have taken place in the course of the investigation in the case of financial irregularities in mphighcourt Medical College and Hospital, which is being investigated in FIR number RC 0102 024 A 0007. Full stop. The further investigation along the lines of the further investigation, both in respect of the incident which took place on 9 August 2024 and in regard to the alleged financial irregularities, may continue. Full stop. The court shall be apprised of the further status of the investigation in that regard. The status report be submitted to this court within a period of 3 weeks. Stop.
Would your lordship like to take cognizance of the affidavit filed on the progress of the task force? They are
I'd like to see what the task force has done, because that's very crucial.
We have filed an affidavit, but
If you can give us,
I can give a copy. Copies are served on everyone, my lord, because this is.
Yeah, the copy. I have a copy.
Yeah, of course.
Do you have another copy?
I just let me use the court. And my lord, CBI officials are in direct touch with the parents of the deceased. And
Meeting them and keeping them posted.
they are
Okay. Gopi Liflige, both the London Solicitor General and Ms. Linda Gobil and Uncle have stated that the CBI has been actively in contact with the parents of the deceased
Yes.
and have kept the parents apprised
Yes.
of the progress of the investigation.
yes.
Also, my lords, I've received from them the nodal officer, which Methi has now appointed, in order to pull down any such material that may.
Any material which infringes upon the privacy of
Of course,
the
it also applies
deceased,
to
my
the
lord, or
fact
the
that,
family.
The Ministry of Electronics and that mighty has nominated a nodal officer who is in contact with the parents of the deceased so that any offending material which is uploaded on any electronic website can be immediately pulled down.
Please, my lords.
Instead of the website, your lordships may say
Initially,
any intermediary.
Yes,
On any-
all in.
all right.
All websites are not intermediary.
On any platform.
Intermediary platform.
Intermediary platforms.
Please, my lords.
So, Solicitor, what is the position of the task force actually?
Lord, the task force has, my lord, received some suggestions. If your lordships can only come to, my lord, page Lord 8. Page 8 of my affidavit, your lordships have. Lord, it
Yes.
is- Yes. Lord, page 8, para 11. It is submitted that approximately 7,688 hospitals, medical establishments submitted their response.
This is on that questionnaire which was floated.
Yes, yes.
But you have now constituted 4 subgroups of the task force
Yes,
by your OM dated uh, by your OM dated 5th of September 2024.
correct, my lord. That,
Now, between 5th of September and today, what has happened?
well, your lordships would find that on page 4, para 8. The last meeting was 9th of September, but para 8.
But
is
after
submitted-
9th September, what has the task force done? No meeting after 9th?
No meeting after.
Then 9th,
The
now
last
the
meeting
15th,
was
then on the 15th of October.
last meeting was 9th of September.
So why is there no progress between the 9th of October and today?
But I can request them to expedite because the secretary is only secretary to the body. My lord. But Lord, the work appears to be humongous. If your lordship sees para
So
8,
we see that because they are they have collected data from all over the country.
that's in hundreds and thousands. For example, para 8, just read, my lord, for
But,
your
you know,
consideration.
The task force must expedite the work because
My lords are right. My lord, I bow down. 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received so far, out of which approximately 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals, have submitted their inputs. These inputs are being segregated and categorized for consideration of the concerned subgroups constituted under the National Task Force. Total, Lord, responses are 7,688 and 4,990 from state government and 2,436 from private sector.
the Union government issued an office memorandum on 21 August 2024 constituting a national task force. At the first meeting of the NTF, which was held on 27 August 2024, 4 subgroups have been constituted to engage with stakeholders and to submit and to prepare their recommendations on the following issues. A, strengthening infrastructure of medical institutions. B, strengthening security systems in medical institutions. C, revamping working conditions of healthcare professionals. And D, strengthening of legal framework across all states. A meeting of all the conveners and member secretaries of the subgroups was held on 9 September 2024. Full stop. Pursuant to the directions which were issued on 22 August 2024. A web link has been created on the website of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for seeking inputs of various stakeholders. Full stop. About 1,700 inputs and suggestions have been received, comprising of 37 associations and 1,500 individuals, including hospitals. Full stop. Pursuant to the directions contained in the judgment dated 20 August 2024, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has shared a questionnaire to all states stroke UTs. Full stop. In pursuance thereof, 7,688 hospitals stroke medical establishments have submitted their responses. Full stop. These are being evaluated by the subgroups. Full stop. Presently, it appears that the National Task Force has not made any, neither the National Task Force nor the subgroups have made any substantial progress in compliance with the, in pursuant to the remit set in the orders of this court, in the order of this court. Full stop. The Solicitor General has accepted that no meeting appears to have been held since the first week of September 2024. Full stop. We are of the view that the union government must make proactive efforts to ensure that the work of the task force is completed within a time schedule, within a reasonable period in the future. Full stop. Accordingly, the meetings of the task force meetings of the NTF shall be held at periodic intervals. Stop. All subgroups shall hold regular meetings so that by the next date of listing, this court is apprised of the tentative recommendations of the NTF, including its subgroups. This exercise should preferably be completed within a period of 3 weeks. We'll give 3 weeks now for the NTF to meet and complete all its work.
Only, my lord, one factual correction. When your lordships have said that we have requested the filled up questionnaires to be sent by the state governments and UTs, my lord, kindly add central and state government hospitals also. They are also, they are the real stakeholders.
Now that part is over. Now NTF, the investigation. What else now remains for today, Mr. Sibbal?
My lords, if we may apprise my lords as to what is happening on the ground.
Filed
During the
that
pujos-
first taken up, that affidavit.
The state of West Bengal?
Yes, and
Let us see your affidavit.
We received it a few minutes ago, my lords.
I have not received it yet. If
Of state of West Bengal का affidavit दे दीजिए.
you have a copy, extra copy. Master,
I'm giving a copy.
just give it.
if you have extra.
Yeah. It's there. Paragraph 4, the little shortfall which your lordship notices, Lord, 90%, 94, 98, no, that's on account of the work to be done in RG Car Hospital, my lord, with respect to which, my lord, we got the clearances, my lord, from the CBI on 9/10/24 and 14/10/24. All other hospital is complete. And I have instructions to submit, my lord, that even with regard to RG Car Medical College, the work will be completed by 31st October, my lord.
Right.
Emergency alarms are also being, my lord, set up as the meetings, my lord, dialogues happened, they desired it, that also is being done. All amount has been, finances have been sanctioned for that purpose.
Has biometric access features been installed, in the restrooms of and the critical areas?
Yes, that has been procured now, my lord, and that will also be by 31st October, we'll indicate that also has been.
So where will they be installed? The biometric facilities?
In the restrooms, duty rooms, and wherever the outsiders are not allowed to go.
Have you seen the affidavit which has been filed by the state of West Bengal?
We
It
have,
appears-
my lords.
They've just received it. No, just received it.
My lords, I've had a chance to look through it, even though we just received
Because
it.
they have now indicated that insofar as the 28 medical colleges other than Ajikor are concerned, they've given us the statistical and breakdown additional demands were placed in for 893 duty rooms see page 2 and 3. They've given us the breakup of duty rooms, washrooms, lighting arrangements, and CCTV installations, where almost 90, some cases 98% or 90% of the work is done, and they are anticipating that will be completed the latest by the 25th of October. For Ajikor also, they have said that they will complete the entire work by 25th of October.
30%.
My lords, many of our doctors are government doctors. They are in these hospitals. We have checked with them before, and we have also confirmed after this affidavit arrived, because they are all, watching and available. And nowhere near this level, some beginning has been made, but nowhere near this level of work has been done. And my lords, we do have documents that we have placed on record. Could we pass it over, what, Master Sir? That demonstrate perhaps the reason why. And the reason why, my lords, may see, please hand over.
We have annexed photographs and
Page
all.
61, my lords.
Provided, apart from the statistical details, the budgetary outlays, they've also provided photographs in Annexure A to the work which has been
We
carried
are
out.
constantly in touch with the
let's take a look
doctors
at the photographs.
associations and committees formed, and so they are inspecting their.
Said for 24-25 that the budget is 1 rupee.
There are about 8
Yes,
documents. And these are their documents.
yes.
There are 300 plus such works which have been sanctioned by us. Total cost 300, like this AFS is nothing, it stands for Administrative Approval and Financial Sanctions. There are 300 such works have been sanctioned. Each bears somewhere it will bear 56 lakhs, somewhere it will 3 crores. Sum total of all that stands today at 123 crores. Since this work was given to us on, suddenly this work has come, so the budgets towards the end of the year, it is reappropriated. I have that power to reappropriate from one head to another. So it will, for a software system, it will say 24, 25 rupees one or something, but as the work progresses, we reappropriate and pay the money. Works are on, contractors have worked, and they will also be paid, sir.
Anyway.
It as a shagun, Malo. 1 rupee usually.
No, but why
Not
don't you?
lucky Shagun, my lord.
But ultimately, look, they have disclosed data. They have also indicated through photographs what is the nature of the work which is being carried out. We can't merely ignore what they have said on affidavit, because they said that on affidavit. At the most, we can say that, look, let this be verified. We can ask somebody to verify what is the nature of the work which has been done.
And
That's
right
all.
now, Bengal is the only state.
My lord, perhaps a local commissioner could be appointed or something. I mean, we are being told by our 25,000 doctors that the work is not being done at this scale.
An affidavit has been filed by the Principal Secretary in the Department of Health and Family Welfare of the Government of West Bengal. Full stop. The affidavit indicates that the state government has sanctioned work worth rupees 123 crores, of which a substantial part has been completed. Full stop. The updated status of the ongoing and completed work for 28 medical colleges has been tabulated in a chart in a table which is reproduced below. Page 2 ko AA copy kar dijiye. As regards the status of the ongoing work in Ajikar Medical College, the affidavit contains the following tabulation. Page 3 ko copy kar dijiye. Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi, then Senior Counsel, has assured the court that all the ongoing work at the 28 medical colleges would be completed by 25 October 2000.
Medical college is complete.
No,
The shortfall which your lordships are
the
noticing is on account of
the shortfall in the work in the 28 medical colleges would in any event be completed by 25 October 2024, and at the Ajikor Medical College and Hospital by 31 October 2024. Full stop. Apart from the above steps, it has been indicated that the state government has constituted, bracket 1, a state-level grievance redressal committee, semicolon, a state-level committee for security audit, 3, district-level committees for security audit, a district-level committee for security audit, Full stop. It has been stated that an initial round of security audit has been completed. Full stop. An additional 1,514 security personnel have been approved for deployment in the medical colleges and hospitals, of which 910 would be female security personnel. Stop. The verification of antecedents and necessary training is stated to have been completed in the case of 616 security personnel, brackets comprising of 328 female and 288 male security personnel. Apart from the above steps, the affidavit indicates that the state government has, by an order dated 1 October 2024, reconstituted the Rogi Kalyan Samiti of different medical colleges and has rolled out an integrated hospital management system, which has 1,013 government hospitals reporting thereon. Full stop. It has been stated that the IHMS envisages capturing every step of patient treatment through online OPD ticket booking, e-prescriptions, drug dispersals from drugstores and pharmacies, and online discharge. Full stop. The state government has also taken steps on a pilot basis for monitoring real-time bed availability and online centralized referral systems.
Centralized referral system and a digital bed vacancy monitor.
Timelines. My lord,
Yes,
is there any
that's
timeline for that integrated system?
The
previous
report shall be
used to be
apprised.
that there's
The
no
report
time.
shall be apprised in a
As
period
per
of
their
3 weeks
demand.
from the date. The report
No,
shall be
may I-
apprised within 3 weeks
My lord,
the-
may I just make one
of the
small,
further progress which
Well,
is made in commissioning these facilities.
a small comment on the integrated system?
Yes,
My lord, we welcome the
The pilot
integrated.
project is already going on in this.
that we have recorded. We have saw that in your affidavit.
Lord,